of innovation, technology, including AI and blockchain, this is the CSharpCorner Daily Tech Updates. I'm Amber, bringing you the latest stories shaping the future of technology from New York City. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has strongly criticized the U.S. government's decision to allow NVIDIA to sell advanced AI chips to China, calling it a crazy and dangerous move. He warned that exporting high-end AI hardware like NVIDIA's H200 could have serious national security implications and weaken America's strategic advantage in artificial intelligence. Amodei argued that easing restrictions could accelerate China's AI capabilities and impact global power balance, urging policymakers to rethink the decision. The Amazon Echo Show 8 Gen 4 positions itself as a practical smart display for Indian homes, focusing on voice convenience rather than premium polish. It delivers strong audio for podcasts, responsive Alexa voice controls, and useful hands-free features, especially in kitchens. However, UI lag, limited app support, a fixed display angle, and the absence of a physical camera shutter hold it back at its price point. Overall, it suits users already invested in Amazon's ecosystem. ServiceNow has announced a multi-year partnership with OpenAI to bring frontier AI models like GPT 5.2 directly into enterprise workflows. The integration enables AI-powered automation, intelligent search, summarization, and real-time decision-making across more than 80 billion workflows each year. With native voice and multimodal capabilities planned, the collaboration aims to deliver end-to-end actionable AI inside secure enterprise environments. Ryan Dahl, creator of NodeJS, has stated that the era of humans writing code line by line is coming to an end. He believes software engineers should shift focus from syntax-heavy coding to system design, ideation, and reviewing AI-generated code. According to Dahl, AI tools are transforming developers into decision-makers and architects, rather than manual code writers, marking a major shift in how software will be built. Elon Musk has announced that X has fully open-sourced its recommendation algorithm, allowing the public to inspect how content is ranked and recommended. Calling the current algorithm dumb, Musk said transparency would let users and developers watch improvements happen in real time. The released code includes ranking logic for posts and ads and is based on the same transformer architecture used by xAI's Grok model. Rockstar Games has reportedly responded to a terminally ill fan's request to play Grand Theft Auto 6 before its official release in late 2026. After a developer's appeal went viral, Rockstar and Take-Two executives reportedly reached out privately. While no official confirmation has been shared, similar gestures have occurred before, including early access to Red Dead Redemption 2 for a terminally ill fan in 2018. And that's all from today's edition of the Tech News Roundup. For more daily tech updates, follow CSharpCorner on social media or visit csharpcorner.news.